perform experiment number 6, that is write a assembly language program for the block data transfer in same and reverse order. This is the statement of our experiment for data transfer from B1 to B2. One is at 2200H and another we have to transfer at the destination location, that is 2300H. That is the aim. Data transfer from B1 to memory block B2. So one memory block is given to us, that is the address given to us, or that is that we have to transfer from one to different. So we will draw a diagram for you. See here, one block will be given. This is the memory, B1 memory. So B1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Another memory block is empty, that is B2. This is the B2 memory block, again having the 4 locations. What we have to do, we have to transfer this data at this location. This is simply we have to do using 8085. This is the flow chart. Here the counter is 10, but I will execute for 5 because it will quite lengthy. So here you note that the counter is now 5. So initialize memory pointer, initialize destination memory pointer, then get the byte from the source memory log, store byte at destination memory log, increment source memory pointer, increment destination memory pointer, and decrement counter. Count is 0. Again repeatedly done this task, and after the count is 0, we should end our program. Okay. Then this is the program. So 0AH, counter is 0A. I have taken 05 because I am just transferring 5 memory locations. LXIH, this is the source, this is destination, this is move A comma M. So memory is copied, and stacks D, store byte in the destination memory block. INXH, increment source, increment destination, then decrement counter, and after that you again repeatedly do this task until the complete data transfer is occur, and stop here. So this we will execute on Jubin, and you will see how I have executed on Jubin. Okay. After this we will perform our experiment number 9. Okay. So here I am giving you demo regarding experiment number 6, that is the block data transfer from source memory location to the destination memory location. So here I have used a different code, and I have given you different code in the presentation. So here I am trying for the different code. You may try the code which is given by me on your PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So here I am following some different technique. Only simply what I am doing, I am involving accumulator A everywhere. So for the memory storage purpose, I am using this MVI instruction where 01 is stored at 2200, then 02 is stored as 2201, then 03 is stored at 2202, 04 is stored at 2203, and 05 is stored as 2204. So as per the block size, you have to select the counter. So the counter is here. Counter is here 5. Okay. So I am selecting the 5 memory locations. Okay. So here I will assemble this code and I will run. So you can see here, this is the source memory location and these are the destination memory location. 220 से स्टार्ट हुआ कहाँ तक, 2204 तक. तो 2300 पे अभी आ गया डेटा और 04 पे लास्ट वाला डेटा. तो ये हो गया सेम ऑर्डर से, यानी 1 2 3 4 5, अगेन 1 2 3 4 5. अभी हमें क्या करना है, ये 5 मुझे 2300 पे मिलना चाहिए. सो इट शुड बी 5 4 3 2 1. ओके. So we will go here and we will make some changes. I think there should be one instruction here, that is first of all it should be MVI C, 05H. Sorry, not O05H. Now I will again assemble this. Okay, see here. Okay, now I have to store the data in the reverse order. So what changes I should make? If you think properly, then you will see that I will destination, this is the source, this is the destination. I will point out the first, that is 22. I will point out the HL pair by the last memory location, that is 2204, and in place of INXH I will use the instruction DCXH. so it will decrement now. So 04, 03, 02, 01, 00 ऐसा होगा ये. तो फिर से मैं कोड रन करता हूँ और रन एट ऑल टाइम. सो सी हियर, स्टोर कहाँ से हुआ था? 1 2 3 4 5. अभी देखो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में स्टोर हुआ डेस्टिनेशन पे 5 4 3 2 1. सो जस्ट बाय चेंजिंग द 2 इंस्ट्रक्शन यू कैन चेंज द एंटायर प्रोग्राम. तो ये हो गया हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 6. तो इसमें हमें क्या करना है, बस एक काउंटर लिया हमने. काउंटर कितना लेना है देखो, अगर आपने यहाँ पे 10 मेमोरी लोकेशंस लिए तो 10 काउंटर चाहिए. सो 0A हो गया, हेक्साडेसिमल में बोल रहा हूँ मैं. ओके, हेक्साडेसिमल बोल रहा हूँ तो 0A होगा. मैंने 5 ही डेस्टिनेशन लिए, 5 सोर्स लिए, तो कितना हो गया काउंटर? 5. 10 ट्रांसफ़र करना है तो 10 शुड बी द काउंटर. फिर से अगर यहाँ पे मुझे सेम ऑर्डर से करना है तो मैं यहाँ पे 2200 लिखूँगा. रिवर्स में करना था इसलिए मैंने 2204 लिखा, और INXH के जगह पे मैंने लिखा DCXH. तो ये हो गया हमारा ब्लॉक डेटा ट्रांसफ़र फ्रॉम सोर्स टू डेस्टिनेशन इन द सेम एज वेल एज द रिवर्स ऑर्डर. यहाँ पे दिखता है आपको सब. सो दैट विल एंड आवर प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 6.